Hey guys, good morning. This is Gabrielle's Kitchen, and I just coming to you today in height of this pandemic and the struggles that we're going through. Today I will be making some curry beef, and I am actually crushing my garlic. This is my curry here. I mix with some water, some mixed masala, some jeera, and some onions. This is my beef I had seasoned up since last week. And of course, the girl got to get her coffee. So I'm preparing the stuff to put in the pot. So I'll be right back. So I'm adding the garlic to the curry. And I'm going to head over to the pot. I'm going to mix it in. Head over to the pot, which is on the fire here. I add a little oil in the pot. There's my oil. And I'm just going to add this curry here in the oil. And I'm going to fry the curry for a couple of minutes. This is the content in the pot, so I'm going to fry it up for a couple of minutes as I bring my beef over. And I'm going to add a few peppers, my Mari pepper. Get a couple of Mari pepper in the fridge. And I'm gonna wash them. This is my little bag in the sink. Everybody that knows me know I don't like dishes in my sink, so I rinse everything after I use it. Just gonna cut the peppers up. And I'm going to add it to my pan. And here's my curry frying up. Then I'm going to add my beef. I'm chunking this curry, guys. Chunky. Yes. So I'm going to add this beef. To my curry. Stir it up a little, and then I'm gonna cover it and let it simmer in a little. Let's sim down a little, okay, guys? We're checking up on our curry. Make sure it's not burning. And look at this. So I like to fry out all the oil from the meat. Yes. So this is the meat here. Simmering down, frying out all the oil. So I'm gonna come back. And guys, the curry that I used today is Lala's curry, compliments of my son. I've never used this curry. He bought it for me. I normally use Indie curry, so I'm going to let you know how this curry tastes. The meat is cooking. I'm going to go ahead and do some rice. My daughter wants roti, but I am not clapping any roti today. If she needs roti, she's going to make it. So I am going to go ahead and take care of my rice. And a girl is no good without a rice cooker, okay? And this is just 1 cup of rice because it's only 2 of us. So I'm gonna wash the rice. A lot of people don't wash the rice, but every Guyanese do. Okay. So I kind of wash the rice till the water get clear. So I continue to wash this rice until my water get a little clear. And then I put a little water in it, just a little over the rice, so it wouldn't, I'm steaming the rice, not boiling the rice. So, get a little butter. And I add like a little tablespoon of butter in my rice. And that's it. Voila. I'm here to take over and check the pot to make sure that my beef is not burning. Look at this. See, it's cooking fine. All the water from the beef is dry out. So what I'm gonna do now is add some water to the beef so it can boil. Alright, look at this. So I'm just gonna add the water in the corners. And then I'm just gonna leave it like this to boil. Okay? Okay guys, so now that my meat is boiled up a little, everyone know you have to pressure beef. So I'm going to put it in my pressure pot and pressure it until it gets soft, and then we'll come back and show you. In the meanwhile, take a look at my rice. This is my rice that's cooking, and you see, this is how it looks. I steam the rice. So it's going to be loosey once it's finished. All right, so I'll come back with once I finish putting the meat in the pressure pot. The beef is pressuring. I gave it 15 minutes because this pressure cooker is very fast. So 15 minutes, and I'll come back to you guys in the next 15 minutes, okay? So once again, we're gonna check our meat to make sure it's cooked. Yes. So I'm gonna throw this back in the stew pan, the cooking pan, and then I'm gonna add my ingredients to it. So I'll be right back with you. Okay guys, so now I'm going to add my potatoes, which I have here. So I'm going to add my potatoes. And then I'm going to go to seasoning my pot. So I like to add some parsley flakes. And a true Guyanese does not measure anything. I will add a little cube since I don't cook with salt. So I'm just gonna add 2 little spoons. I'm gonna put in a little Mrs. Dash. Some black pepper. Shallot, which some people call it green onions. I'm gonna add some shallot. I'm gonna leave it for a few minutes and then I'm gonna come back and do a little taste, and then I'll see what more it needs. So these are the stuff that I add. Okay, a little paprika pepper, a little cayenne pepper, just a tip, and a little chili powder, because you know we love our curry a little spicy. So yeah, and I'm gonna let this simmer now and come back in the next 15 minutes or so. Hey guys, so we're checking up on our curry. Ooh, this looks good. So things are simmering down. So one thing I do add to my pot, and everybody don't have to agree with me, is some achar. To my curry, I add a little achar because it flavors my curry, okay? This is not something that everyone would do, but this is my preference, okay? So I'm adding my achar, woo, and then I'm gonna taste my curry to see if everything is okay. So you see how it's looking there? Oh. Alright, so I'm gonna taste to make sure it's okay. Good. Alright, so I'm gonna let it simmer for a little more and then I'm gonna turn it off. So it's perfect. You don't need anything else. I'm just gonna top it off with a little garlic and then it's done. Okay guys, I added a little lemon juice, 1 teaspoon in the curry, and a lot of people would be like, what the hell? But this is how I cook my curry, and the lemon juice adds a flavor to it. So this is the last thing I do before I cover it, and I just leave it. So here you go. Thanks for watching. This is Gabrielle's Guyanese kitchen, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll have a lot more coming up shortly. But this is what my curry looks like, thick and good, and it also tastes, whoa, great. Thank you for watching. Bye.